Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Things to see at school. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
the things you see at school.
Here are
some
examples. Places you can find inside the school.
admissions office, principal's office, guidance office, classroom, library, science lab, cafeteria, gym, playground, restroom,
Things that happen inside the school.
teacher speaking, students raising hands, children studying, kids playing, team training, friends eating lunch, bus arriving at school, students walking along the hallway, principal greeting students, students taking exams,
let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct scene.
Number 1. Teacher speaking. Or, team training.
The correct answer is teacher speaking.
Number 2. Students raising hands. Or, kids playing.
The correct answer is students raising hands.
Number 3. Friends eating lunch. Or, children studying.
The correct answer is children studying.
Number 4. Teacher speaking. Or, kids playing.
The correct answer is kids playing.
Number 5. Team training. Or, teacher speaking.
The correct answer is team training.
Number 6. Friends eating lunch. Or, kids playing.
The correct answer is friends eating lunch.
Number 7. Bus arriving at school. Or, team training.
The correct answer is bus arriving at school.
Number 8. Friends eating lunch. Or, students walking along the hallway.
The correct answer is students walking along the hallway.
Number 9. Principal grading students. Or, students taking exams.
The correct answer is principal greeting students.
Number 10. Bus arriving at school. Or, students taking exams.
The correct answer is students taking exams.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Write the missing letters on each word.
Playground.
Number 1. Admissions office.
The missing Playground.
Hmm.
letters are M and N. Admissions office.
Number 2. Principal's office.
The missing letters are P and A. Principal's office.
Number 3. Guidance office.
The missing letters are N and C. Guidance office.
Number 4. Classroom.
The missing letters are S and M. Classroom.
Number 5. Library.
The missing letters are L and B. Library.
Number 6. Science lab.
The missing letters are E and A. Science lab.
Number 7. Cafeteria.
The missing letters are F and R. Cafeteria.
Number 8. Gym.
The missing letters are G and M. Gym.
Number 9. Playground.
The missing letters are G and D. Playground.
Number 10. Restroom.
The missing letters are S and M. Restroom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.